Hi, Doctor. Good morning po.
Oh, good morning. Ang ganda
Doctor.
ng ano mo ah. Mukhang masayang araw mo ah.
Yes, Doc. Actually, Doc, super init sa gawas, Doc. As in,
Oh.
di ba, summer na, Doc?
Yes,
Tsaka,
yes, yes.
di ba, pansinin mo, Doc, itong previous month, bisag dili summer, imagine, Doc, grabe ka, init to, Doc, ba?
Oo nga eh. Naiinitan na nga ako
oo
ngayon
nga
eh.
By the way, Doc, I'm Sheila again, Doc.
Sheila.
Of Dexa Medica, Doc. And, Doc, na ko'y trivia sa imuha.
Oh, okay.
Kabalo mo ka, Doc, nga especially karong summer na ako'y ikuan sa imuha nga unsay pinaka fastest o biggest slides
Biggest slides.
sa world.
Oh,
This
where's
is
that?
based, Doc, ha, sa World Guinness Record.
Oh, where's that?
Actually, Doc, found siya sa Brazil.
Oh.
So kabalo ba ka, Doc, ang height niya, it's about 14-story nga building.
Oh,
Imagine,
very
Doc,
tall, ah.
14-story. Unya, paano unsaon nimo, Doc, pag-akyat?
Right,
Elevator ba ka?
Mm.
At tapos, pagbaba, imagine, Doc, ang height. And kabalo ba ka, Doc, sa speed? 250 kilometers per hour.
Oh, very fast.
So, grabe ka extreme, Doc, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
So,
So,
how
mahilig
I
ka ba
wish-
sa extreme?
Actually, Doc, super.
Oh.
And nata diri, Doc, ha, local lang, local. Especially diri sa sa Mindanao, natay sa Cotabato, Doc. So, it's not a slide, pero katong
Di pa ako
height,
nakarating
tsaka
dun, ah.
in terms sa extreme, Doc,
Right.
super. Katong kapakuhan ka na, Doc, ka ng zipline. Zipline.
Mm.
Yun, Doc, ang pinakamataas na zipline sa
Sa
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas. Oh, I see.
So,
Baka pwede
sim-
mo akong dalhin doon.
Yes, Doc. Of course, Doc.
Oh, sige, sige. Dali
One
mo
of
ako
this
doon.
day po.
Sige, sige.
So-
What can I do for you?
Yes, Doc. Last time, Doc, I hear, so we discussed about, you mentioned na you use dexamethasone.
Ay, hindi masyado. Marami ako, cases ko. Mga, sa mga ano ba? Mga gastro. Marami
Yes,
akong kaso.
actually, Doctor, thank you for that information, Doctor. Kasi I have here, Doctor, ito po yung product listing namin, Doctor. And I have also Domperidone, Doctor.
Oh, Domperidone.
Yes, Doctor,
So,
Domperidone.
anong brand name ng Domperidone mo?
Domperidone, Doctor, Bumeta FT.
Bumeta. Sama naman ang pangalan. Vomit,
Bumeta
parang
eh.
suka ba?
Bumeta FT. Pero Doctor, hope you don't mind po, Doctor. Ano po yung drug of choice niyo po? Especially
Domperidone,
indication po for using
GERD, dyspepsia. I combine it with the PPIs. And then also some, mostly sa GERD. Combination with PPIs.
I see po, Doctor. Thank you for that information, Doctor.
Marami akong pasyente for GERD.
Good.
Marami akong gastro cases.
Pero how about, Doctor? Dyspepsia, you mentioned, Doctor.
Yeah, hindi masyado. But I use Domperidone sa GERD. I see about 2 to 3 patients every day for GERD.
Say po, Doctor. Thank you for that information, Doctor. How about, Doctor, for nausea and vomiting po, Doctor? Ano po yung ginagamit
Eh,
niyo po?
gumagamit na nga ako ng Domperidone.
Ay, yes, thank you for that information,
Why did you
Doctor.
ask me?
Yes,
Gumagamit na nga ako ng Domperidone.
Sorry for that, Doctor. Actually, Doctor, we do have Domperidone, Doctor.
Yes.
So, Bumeta FT, Doctor, is our brand. Fast melting tablet siya, Doctor.
Oh, that sounds good, huh?
Yes, Doctor. So, and there
Magkano yan?
in terms of price,
Compared sa?
ano po yung, Doctor, yung ginagamit niyo po? Meron po ba kayong specific brand na ginagamit, Doctor?
Meron, yung Motilium.
Yes.
Wala naman nagpo-promote na ibang Domperidone sa akin. Yun lang.
Si po, Doctor. Well, Doctor, thank you, Doctor, for that information. Compared to Motilium, Doctor, how about 1325, Doctor, na
1325 lang
yes,
kayo?
Doctor. So, how...
Ba, mura pala yan, ha?
Yes, Doctor.
Oh, that's good.
Makakatulong po ba yan, Doctor, sa pasyente nyo? Yung 1325 po?
Yes.
So, yes, Doctor. Bumeta FT, Doctor, is 1325, which means po, Doctor, offers 50% more savings, Doctor, especially for your patient with, Doctor, dyspepsia. So, how does it sounds po, Doctor?
It sounds very good.
Yes, thank you so much,
Saan
Doctor.
available yan?
Actually, Doctor, we're available at hospital pharmacy. Meron po tayong available po
Okay.
dito. So, Doctor, are you willing po,
Yeah,
Doctor,
sige, subukan
na
natin.
matulungan po ako? So, it's okay ba, Doctor, na mag-leave po ako ng sample?
Of
Para
course,
ma-try
I will
niyo
like
po?
to try it.
Yes, Doctor.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes,
I will try it.
Thank you so much, Doctor. And hope with that sample, Doktor, mangayo lang ko, Doktor, at least one prescription ng Doktor sa imo.
Yeah, I will try it. I will try it.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Doktor.
rin.
Thank you
Okay,
so much.
bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Very good.